Asi namba ya mandilo mefu punamu. Asi nobu chineke mandilo mefu punamu. Asi namba ya okwandilo mefu punamu. Asi nobu chineke okwandilo mefu punamu. We give all the thanks to Almighty Yahweh Elohim Adonai Chineke Sunile Kendeaya Chukwu Okuke Chukwu. We thank you for this day. We thank you for the prophecy coming to pass. We thank you for liberating our land. We thank you for the great work you did through your son, Prophet David Yahweh Chukwu. I am the liberator of Okite, who God sent to save Igbo from powers of darkness. I've rejected America to save Igbo. I rejected the UK. I rejected many countries. I rejected billion from Okoti kingdom and Manin kingdom to save my people. It's not a fluke. But when we're saying it, you think we're joking. I told you, give me 2 years, I'm going to shut down all the evil native doctors and the evil reason why and the Okite and the Manin kingdoms. Today, what is happening? Remember the challenge when Akwa Okuko challenge all the pastors. All of them ran away. No pastor could stand to battle with Akwa Okuko. It's only Prophet David Yahweh who came out and stood and fought all the kingdom. Today, all the pastors are taking the glory, showing, doing like they are one. Ask your pastor where he was. Ask them who no chug wine when I come. No matter what you want to talk, nobody can take the glory of Yahweh. No matter what you want to talk, you know, I am not an ordinary person. Me and you know. If you say it's easy, come out on telecast and expose what I'm exposed. If you sleep, I wake up the next day. But I have destroyed many kingdoms. That's why people can talk now. I'm imparting the whole world. God bless you. I am prophet. I have 1.16 million angel. Remember, this year is the year of Aguneche and Aguneche. The year that I told you that all the powers of kingdoms, all the idol powers, witches and wizards will go down. Now, quick one. Why are you against my governor Soludo for the wonderful work he's doing in Anambra State? Why are you against him? Many people are trying to sabotage what he's doing. Now look at what is happening. Everywhere. I'm gonna work in a zoo here. Mahadi Bundum mother. Mahadi very condemned mother. I've been another Okada. I got to walk a park Okada. I got to park Okada. Hezu. I'm a woman. I would like you to see. Now, oge agbụrụ Akwa Okuko na take a hit. No, men are not about men. I get protest. But since I will only say Jesus, I want to say because someone only say Jesus belong to. Okay, kidnappers not a Christian. Now, let me not say why I went to only Jesus Christ's house. Why I went to only Jesus' house, I want to advise him. Go back here when offer. But unfortunately, I could not meet him. And don't go by Apota. I'm in Lagos. That's not no go. I'm in Lagos, but that is my name video. You know, whenever Menka is not a good person. Though I did not enter inside the house because I'm a prophet. When I went there, they said, come inside the house. I said, no. I was outside. Even her brother's wife was sick. Spiritual sickness. I was outside to heal the person. Heal her. And also give his brother money to go and see him. So this is the thank you. Years ago, just will tell us just to come and even though you did not ask anybody to contribute their money, you feel you have problem, want to assist, the rich will come. But that is now, no matter what you do, people will still call you a fool. That's why in life you can never please people. Then I wanted to advise him to stop all those nonsense also upon him. That if you need real power, come, I will impart you. I will impart you power of God so you can do the work of God. You cannot serve God and the idol at the same time. But unfortunately, as long as I name Okite, not name Okite ordinance, that will put him into problem. He cannot fool God. He cannot fool God. That's why I told you, any day I cannot serve God again, I will drop my Bible. This Bible is over. This Bible now, it's more than 10 years. This is my covenant Bible. I'm really more than the Bible. I'm a month in 5 years. I'm really more than the Bible. A Bible didn't allow an amount to sleep on the lock for 5 years. Now, there's so many things. Please help me to share the telecast. Let me pray this thing. I want to analyze something. Let me see if I can see the video. As one interview for Young Baba this thing.
Soludo
Let us see.
Soludo Abana nke wajabo kijebe nisi onwa gi. If also say mo can believe we no ki na ja fem na mbu Christian. I can never be.
Soludo is not okay now. See why all of us were Christian. Matthias was born as a Roman Catholic. He born the Bible, right? Miriam Willow was born as a Roman Catholic. He later carried my water. One of the popular deity called Samari, asking people to come into it. Akwa Okuko was born as a Roman Catholic. He started with Okite. Check all those people. They all call Roman Catholic boys. Why do you think the Mary cannot deliver them? Mary the same thing with Mama Water. That's why most of them get deep. They end up serving idol. Let me tell you my own story. Because all the prophets, you also, as God sent you to this world, devil also want to use you to do his work. So you must fight to convert yourself. So don't say, if convert yourself to the light of the God. That's what I did to myself. That's why it takes me many years to prepare myself. Now, let me pray this video. I will tell you my own story after this thing. I'll tell you my own story. What you don't know about me. Let me increase the volume and the brightness.
Mantle. Make it block rose. Block rose, block brother. Mantle. Carol, Mandiotia.
This is a million.
Catholic Church, Burundi. What I go Benja Lagos, so na charismatic, na everything. Make them look and name, business modaba, when business or daba. The business moju what I want Babaga to a mountain of fire. Fall and die. Fall and die. Telling you about Manabusa. What I go, my guy feel him like Catholic in a father, what I fire to Wabaga mountain of fire. Welcome deliverance. See about Babaga pray.
Network. Okay. I will edit the video later. I will edit it.
Welcome deliverance. See about Babaga prayer warrior. Can the job become by any animation and DC? So not prayer, never mother deliverance. So you never everything. Can the job more Bagani, baby, Amana for them? Mana still. Come wherever, na maybe she have a malo. Na maybe she have a malo. Gam, Babo, Macanasi, all no little loan of Macam. La whole lot of video can and you turn up at the bend. What a money who made you future. But in a terrible dream. Lana to Mojumbo. So I say at the time, the make day have I just am boy in a Patakot. I just boy in a Patakot na Duke. Ishwe Street. Abamboy, bar boy, no large potam. Macanano boy. One day, only one man and now for none. One walk out of Budada. Man, you see any natural white. I've only any natural white. If only you are. We love Baba, but I wouldn't allow or could you? Would you come on a family? Million for Adafo India. But I saw some milky egg for Utupu. I know I now word then let them milli. Makata. Now wonder, can do the must want that on for the man now. What I go at the time. Can come Capotako before covering the cast web and here. Even God happens now, Monacam, and just here, all over Monaca, Educo meeting on Acamad. Jeff boy, on Acamad, but can you can Acamujet? Come, Mamma, if I answer more, if I can, Mamma, I have. I was smoking, but mostly with Ego as of them. As a much of 20,000 ago. You go, man, if I cover with him on. Much of if I take 20,000, we go to go to after 11 bus stop of Cafanelli. Not the night you check here, not the next end. Not a cat on where one will fool and not have message. Not buying him buff. After you have a move when you're back home. Make it educate a mock, Ellie the blue cruise. Ellie the Mundi blue cruise, blue brother, Neighbor Manto, they do Macanaja, Carol, Mandu. I jam more for my. What Batana Catholic Church, Burundi. What I go, Bunja Lagos, so not charismatic, no, everything. Make them look and name and lock and name, a business of Modava, or business or Dava. The business of Mutua.
Okay, I come. God bless you, my brother. Please, if you're watching, let me know where you're watching from. Please help me to share and type where you're watching from. God bless you. Can you share? I want to explain something about this thing medium widow that is talking now. Soludo said Anambra is a Christian state. Can you Anambra now? All those DBS now and all of them, Matthias, medium widow, Akwa Okuko Jesus, and they're not Christians. Now, when the Christian that will know that you're born as a Christian, all of a sudden, we are going back to the root. Are you not a Christian? If you go to your baptism card, your passport, you must see Christian name in your name. So, but that is not why we're here. Reason why I'm just want to indicate this. Miriam will say that on a gambling and not choose on a gambling thing business for. You're not the only one that business for. We have the same encounter. The problem your own is he did not wait upon the Lord to be converted to the light. Because when I told you the kind of suffer I suffer before I know the true God, I have to go long places. I used to go TV Joshua, from there Jeremiah, from there to this one, from there to Mbaka, until I have an encounter with the Most High God. Many pastors they have not gotten to the level of breaking into third heaven. I break into third heaven. Many pastors have never passed first and second heaven. Before I can conquer second heaven, after spending 4 to 5 years on the mountain, I came back. I started fasting for 1 year. God said fast for 1 year. And on 7 months, I was on fasting. 6 to 6 on there, dry fasting. 7 months. I fast every day then. 7 months come now. Before I go send the queen of heaven, the woman with snake all over the whole place, the thunder, where by the other snake. Now, very long time ago, on Abumbia, if I sleep like this, I will see a woman. Sometimes the woman will come and it will turn to snake. Or 3 women, they will join together and turn to snake. Then different things. And sometimes I will see myself in this water, this Lagos water. Then this Lagos water, they told me that I am a king. But the time have not come that I will become the king. That was very long time ago. That time my brother just died. My senior brother just died before the second. When I stopped, I was using alone in a hotel. Island Capital Hotel. So when I stopped it, the day my brother died. The day I stopped it is the day my brother died. God had already told me that I should stop. So the day my brother died, I went to the Yaba because he died in Lagos. I went to Yaba hospital. Then he was talking. He could have said so many things, and not what I would say now. I was asking, he was saying so many things. I said, let me call one of our brothers. He said no, he doesn't want to see him. So that is another thing. So now that Segoniga Farosi on a memory na Bekutegu does not mean you have to serve memory. The problem you have never been delivered like Matthias, and they are not converted to the God. Many would have never been, they have never destroyed the covenant that followed them. Many of you, they have dedicated you to marine kingdom. And you pray to Mary, you also pray to marine kingdom. So you have been converted to that deities. So if you're not genuinely repentant and dedicated yourself and separated yourself from that marine kingdom, it can be free. That's why you see many pastors, they will fall back to serving idol. You make the business, will come back to serve idol because you have never break that yoke. And it's not easy to break because this is a chain of covenant of your father and your mothers. That is it. So many of you that jump into SY and jump into pastors, I used to tell you, what you need is prayer. You need to pray and come out from that kingdom. You must come out from the kingdom. By the time you come out from that kingdom, you break into first and second heaven and third heaven. There is third heaven. There is second. This is a realm of the spirit. There is first heaven. Things are happening in this world. They don't just think this world, they just cannot. No. The world is spiritual. The world, okay, how come they shoot people go and they will die? And they shoot some people go and they will not die? The world is not spiritual. How come you're doing the same business? The other ones are making it, you're not making it. What are you talking about? What are people really thinking that this world is? Okay, there's nothing like angel. There's nothing like demon. How come you're in abroad for, okay, I pray for somebody now in America. That was last 2 weeks. This person has been taking exam more than 5 times. You have taken exam to get work more than 5 times. You did not work the exam. But I was praying for this girl. I was praying with her mother last 2 weeks. That's why I came back there from America. That's why I came back to Lagos from the East. Then I was praying for her. And I saw that the girl, when it was about 8 years, witchcraft had tied her. Witchcraft tied her. So I have to break. When I finished that breaking, of course, this girl did the exam last week and passed. Somebody I've been trying for many years. I've not passed. Just after the prayer I did, no less than 2 weeks, she went to exam and passed. Now she will start work in America. These are somebody that's in American city, she no work because he cannot do the work because he need the exam. He must pass some exam before he can start doing work in America. Is it not breakthrough? Okay, now the mother used to feed her daughter with everybody, and her daughter already have children for somebody. But now if the girl start to work now, maybe she earn like $5,000 or $7,000. Depends on the kind of work. Is it not, by in a month, now 2 months, is it not a multi-millionaire? So when they talk all those things, you come and think you are just making mouth. Why not make mouth? The problem that this is like the woman now, she's a medical, she work in a firm. She make almost $10,000. In order of the, if you don't like to put that, they're not even on Facebook. They don't like it because of the kind of work they do. If not, I will call her and put it on this thing. Say my prophecy, if I go to chamber, yes, you know, my prophecy. No, any pastor that give you a prophecy, that prophecy doesn't come to pass. It's a prophet of Satan. I give more than 1,000 prophecy. None of them they didn't come to pass. I pray for more than millions of people online. Nobody will say I pray for him, that they join partner, I do the prayer for him, that things didn't change for him. It's level by level. Many of you are saying, okay, do salaka. When God bless you, come and do breaking of course and protection and all this. All these are realm of the prayers. They are realms. These are things. You know, you can't just say we are praying. You can't pray what I'm praying. We are not the same. You're not a medical doctor. Even if you're a medical doctor, there's Dr. Anya, there's Dr. Eze, there's dental, there's a doctor for eye clinic, there's doctor for teeth, there's doctor for stomach, there's doctor for kidney problem. They are not the same. They are ecologists. You say you're a pastor. Then who fucking care you're a pastor? You're a pastor for what? What pastor are you? There's a pastor, there's a prophet, there's a reverend, there's an evangelist, there's a apostle. So which one are you? You come on, what we're talking about, you're using crowd. Your hospital can have crowd who doesn't have solution. That's hospital you go to, the price will be cheap, you will die there. Why do you think specialists, they charge high money? Because these people, they don't do many things. This is what they specialize. Like me now, I specialize in liberation. When you know say that liberation, you things know they work for you. This one, you can go and pray anywhere. But where I will tell you, no pastor, no Ebukobi cannot deliver you from Marine Kingdom, Queen of Heaven. It's not possible. It's not possible. He can't. He doesn't have the power. He doesn't have the power. You see, it's not about prophecy. This is what I know. I know what it is. The kind of work I do. Many of you that come to me to do work, you already go to pastor, tire, go to native doctor, tire. That's why you believe. It's easy to send 400,000 to somebody when you know. No, we pray. Go pray now. Carry your Bible and pray. You can pray for yourself. Go and pray. Go and do the prayer. How many times they see me, they come online. God bless you. How many times they come and see me, they go online, they preach this one. No. I'm only here to tell you the truth. Before I became like this, I'm also have people that pray for me. Do you know what I take to become a priest? I use 2 cow and 2 lamb to enter autonomy to become a priest. You think me and Ebukobi are the same thing? Well, not be the same thing. I am a ordained priest, high priest. I am ordained high priest. Maybe I just come out, come the answer prophet. I keep covenant. How can you say he passed me? Jesus Christ, was he a Christian? No. He's a Jew. It's a Sabbath. Mary, was he a Christian? No. He's a Jew. Sabbath. But today you're trying to claim everything that is Christianity. If you call Christianity, I will still not worry because I know the truth. Many of you don't know what is different from Christianity and the Judaism and the truth and the lie. Well, we know, we call all of them Christianity. Judaism is under Christianity too. Because the head of Christianity, the Bible, is not what makes you Christian. This Bible was given to people of Jew. It was given to people of Sabbath. Jesus said, I am the Lord of Sabbath. So start getting sense. The Soludo say, Anambra is a Christian state. Mirewu, are you not a Christian before? You're a Christian, you just come out. Matthias, are you not a Christian before? You're a Christian, you just converted to Church of Satan. Akwa Okuko, are you not a Christian before? They all of them are Roman Catholic. Are they not Christians? Now, if you say Soludo is against Ndu Dibio, that is against tradition, Onyeze, is he not doing church? Onyeze, is he not doing Christian? Was he not arrested? If you do what is evil, they will arrest you, whether pastor or anybody. You will be arrested for your evil. So don't take anyone for granted. My phone wants to go off. phone is about to die, so let me just show you. Alright. Mandi Bana Chezo. I not lie the truth. Anybody that is not happy for what is happening in Anambra State, he will be the next to die. They used to bury people, kill people every day in Anambra State. Igbo Marate na Mili. Hi, you get one video where I watched yesterday. If you see what happened in Imo State, inside bush, they killed a lot of people. You go see more than 20 cars. Cars and no man, Range Rover, different cars. They have been kidnapped. They don't want any more here. These are the level of things that happen in Igbo land. So I'm expecting people like Ebukobi, them, last days to mock them, to be preaching against the evil happening in Imo State. But they will not talk about it. They will not talk about it. Ana ekwu ọzọ ka ana ekwu ibe. Onye gawa abroad or gacha abroad mata. The kidnap boy. Go the person. And it's not for them. And all since age so many native doctors is a one ka ya jibido. Haven't you know there's something fishing? Haven't you know there's something fishing? We don't have going back to the roots in Anambra State. Nothing like killing. All I know they know there's his once. But since 2022, Igbo, it is what without coming, people are dying. Anefu, he carry everywhere. Kidnappers are carry everywhere. Native doctors are now. See, my father is a strong medicine doctor, very strong one on our warrior. But now, Soludo is trying to say that if you're going to be native doctor, that's why you know, say make they don't do native doctor. You know, say make you not do as a wine. In our spiritual work, come and tell you what you do. On our wish show about when you saw a cane and in our wine about one and a cane and in our ball about one or okay now in our one no money when you go back one or yak and when you get example, you taste the iPhone, they will give you a certificate. You gotta become the recognized native doctor. So what is wrong with that? What is wrong with what he says? Are you not happy the way Anambra is getting together? Many people are there planning how to destroy, sabotage what he's doing. Because in the so you love the way Anambra is. Anybody who did not support this thing, you're a kidnapper, you're a ritualist, you're a drug dealer. Because of the drug dealer that are doing in Anambra State, people have turned to chorus everywhere. 5 years ago, 10 years ago, don't have people that are going mad in Anambra State. Maybe once, you don't have it. What brought all those madness? In Kigame say, even if evangelists say want to go and build house for Sakia, it's because of the colors, drugs, hard drugs. How many places are they saying that in Lagos? But I need all the young boys now don't turn to mad people because of oncolos. Soludo kita banana, Soludo no high drug banana. And the government came out to pursue those things. Do you know how much bribe those people can do to make sure they did not continue? Do you know how many bribe do they make all those evil drug business they can pay? You can see what is happening in the law. People go to hospital, they die in thousands. It's now a fake drug. Malaria and a fake drug, you will die. Because that drug cannot kill malaria, it can only add more problem to you. That's why a lot of kidney problem. All the minerals and these people are drinking, they are fake. Fake. Are you not seeing on the internet? Bitters everywhere. Everybody is going into bitters. All the big men, instead for them to do something that will benefit our people, they are doing bitters. Bitters is a good thing. Hard drug. Hard gene. You go to your heart and destroy it. Once you go to hospital, if you have high blood pressure, you have a kidney problem, you have a liver problem, they will ask you not to take alcohol. Why? Because alcohol will make you to die fast. So you that doesn't have those sickness, Don't you know you don't need to take all this alcohol? But they will not stop it. Because they will do any bribe they can do to make sure it sell. Me and you know that if I put naked picture now, or wine, hey, you go see as if I bring again, I can't there naked. Or you can't see them here when I say nakedness there for outside. This video go don't reach 1 million view. But because I'm saying the truth, nobody will share, nobody will follow, nobody will like. They even make comments. It's only one person that make comment. Praise the man, God bless you. It's only one person that make comment. Because you know the truth and you don't want to tell us the truth. So God bless you. Soludo, keep on doing your good work. We're backing you spiritual to make sure you come, because you cannot do this work alone if it's not that we came with spiritual power. Let us not lie. You can't. Why are you not doing these things? Until I came with program called Agune Chamber, Agune Chip. Know that on the 23, on the 22 and 23, last Saturday and last Sunday, will be program Agune Chamber. This Saturdays and next Saturdays, next Sunday and this Sundays. God bless you. Thank you for being with me. God bless you. I appreciate all my partners. Everybody, God bless you. Thank you very much. And I thank the Almighty Yahweh that made the world come to pass. At least I lost my money because of this fight. I lost my page. There's almost 100,000. You know what it takes to build a page? This page now is my backup page. You know, if you invest 5,000 more, because I don't want to buy follower. If I want to buy follower, I can buy follower, but it's nonsense. I don't need to buy any follower. The page that by that my page is organically built almost 100,000. You know what it is to build a page 100,000, and they hack it. It's not because of I'm preaching against evil happening in Igbo land. If I was doing all that, nobody would hack my page. Don't you know that it's million? All the giveaway I've done on that page to grow the page. Don't you? If I tell you how many million I lost on that page, you will not believe. I'm not making money with it. It's just for my family. That is like closing my church. And who that did it is JPAC team with Ndoki, the team with Ndoka. JPAC and they will be them and they this Agawala and Co. Because JPAC and the governor I can't call them Ndoka, and that one Ndoki that joined the Ndoka to fight me, and I still conquer them. The only what they did to me is still hacking my page. So when I speak, people don't hear. So to look at, he didn't do nothing for me. We're still spiritual. We're still bringing down. We are still in charge. Am I not still in charge? Are we not still winning them? Hack page or hack not page, we're still winning them. The only thing that they have, they are multitude. They are multitude. But if you are bringing them down, they think they are not. They are going down. Not to reach JPAC. All the people that eat no kit, the money should be arrested. Both James Agobola. That in another ego kit should be arrested and brought to book. I don't run. Go Ghana. I don't know where this guy Ogajik is. All those people need to be arrested and put them. That is it. So God bless you. They know that we have come. We have come. No going back. And thank God they have. This is a time to victory. Even though I didn't do anything again, I've tried for my people. Anambra State. Anybody that say, oh, they not try, work, come and do your own, let's see. Anybody who could come and say, oh, not try. He's a kidnapper. He's a Onyokite. He's a ritualist. He's a drug dealer. Anybody that said the Yahweh and the partners and we did not try, all those battles will fight for how many years? We lost many things. But thank God today. I told you people, I rejected billions from occultic kingdom to 7 Igbo. I told you people I rejected America, different countries. I even interview. I did not take any interview. It's only Anambra State that take first interview for over how many years? Over more than 10 years. I never take any interview. Never go for any interview, more than 10 years. So I did it because of we're in Igbo land, to help in Igbo. So charity begins at home. So some things I do for Anambra State, I can't do it. Like now, I have people that in Lagos, they want to see me, you can't even see me. Before you see me, I said I'm doing something for you, special. Maybe I have a time for you. If not, so what can you give to me? You can't help me, you can't do nothing for me. You can't do nothing for me. So anybody that want to see me, go to Anambra State. On the Saturday and Sunday, I'll be there. You don't need to pay money to see me. But if you want to see me one-on-one, you need water. If you join, you're not partner. And if you're calling online, you have to be a partner in this spiritual prayer, which I know that if I ask you to come down from America or Canada, anywhere, it will cost you money, millions. So I can help you to do it so you will not waste money. So when God bless you, you can support. Because without all those people, we cannot be able to do this we're doing. Only for me to go from Anambra State, I'm taking flight, it's almost 300,000. How much is offering? Even if you want to join, how many people can join partner in the East? But I'm just trying to do it so people can know that this is not easy for me to do. If you don't want to join, go to your church. If you don't want to be part of us, it's free. Come and do prayer. But if you need water, I don't sell my things. I'm just making it so it's not easy for me. Anytime I go to East, I waste million. Yes. Because it's not all about again, it's evangelism. So anybody can support our movement. So only me can do the work. And I want to appreciate people that be supporting. God bless everybody. +234 903 222 6076. 0903 222 6076. 0903 222 6076. That's my WhatsApp line. So if you want to have a message, you can drop it. You need a spiritual solution, you can tell me your problem. I'll tell you what to do. Know that as long as you want me to pray for you, you have to be a partner, you have to pay for a partner. Or you don't want to pay anything free, come to Anambra State. I know to do prayer for Lagos again. I don't close. The Anambra State are free for Igbo people. Now they are there. Okay. I love what your governor is doing because many of their jobs are not working or learning because they hope in Okid. Yes, most of people are not doing anything again. They hope in Okid, they help Samari, they help Ezenwai, they hope fake prophet and fake pastors. That is it. Because life, the truth be told, there's a fake prophet, there's a free prophet, there's a real dibia, there's a what? Because there's something that will happen to you. Even the hospital don't have the solution. You have to go harbor. Those harbor people, like if you break your leg now, if you go to hospital, they will cut it. But you go to harbor people that know how to do it, will fix it back with tradition. The leg will be okay. That is 100%. Many people that go to hospital for their leg, maybe hours, then they will cut it. But if you go to native people that know how to do it, they will heal it. This is why they have the gift. So what I'm doing, I have the gift. It's not wrong. It come accept I can transfer the power to you, you can use it. That is it. But it can't be like my own originality. So that is it. So thank you very much. Let us support Governor Soludo and make sure that I will be happy this kind of thing start in Imo State and the Enugu State and Abia State and the Ebony State. So all those killing, our people are dying everywhere. Please, if this thing can stop, say I'm going to go first. Say I'm going to go culture. Kidnappers everywhere. I say non-government. Why we say it's our people that are kidnapping ourselves? You never hit IPOP. You say what all the people that they caught now is it IPOP? No. Small boys from Enugu State, small boys from Anambra, small boys from Imo State, from Abia State, small from Karaba, from Delta State, small boys that are not up to 25 years. Kidnapping and half-heart will kill people. And you're here supporting it. 80%, 90% of Ndahej, all of them, who they do juju for them, native doctor. Have they caught anybody as not person at Waterhole? Among all the kidnappers they got, who is doing preparation for them? Native. That's why government have been catching people. Now that's why they now say, okay, let us go after those native doctors that preparing shine for them. I not say Akwa will not come out, or Wednesday will not come out, or AKA will not come out. If your hand is clean, it will come out. Police arrest somebody. Now I have been arrested many times. So if you're guilty or they find anything, that's your own. You're going. But if you're free, they will leave you. Because government will not want to kill innocent person. That is it. Before government will say they will keep person, you go hard. Accept they don't say you have taken lives. That's why you can go lifetime imprisonment. That's why they can't even kill you, they will put you lifetime imprisonment. Before government say sentenced to death, you will know the kind of crime you commit. That's why some people that committed some crime, you take them to police, later they will release them. because that is not murder case. But if you enter murder case, on your own, don't go. If na 419, you pray, or you go to police, they will still be, they call it benign offense, they can release you. But if you enter murder case, robbery case, it's even easy. You can go thief, you know, kill person, but when he steal and kill somebody, the case has become murder case. So you know the day easy for you. Do you know why Anambra State take it serious? Because of the honorable they killed there. That's why I say, if you have, if or maybe how you have to find it. If it never happened to you, you don't understand. People where this thing don't happen to, where they don't kidnap their brother, kill their brothers, and they do for their children, their brother, their sister today, they don't find them. They don't have the part of people where they don't kidnap, collect money, they kill them and throw inside water, and throw inside bush. So please, to San Jose. And anybody a blog to book or report to see, make sure no one made something. Can happen every innocent person. Because once they start killing innocent people, that means the land will turn against you, because Igbo land were the holy people, were the people of Chukwu, were the Igbo Israel. God bless you. Shalom.